Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ilya. In today's video, we'll explore sheet metal bending techniques. Bending sheet metal is not only a core step in sheet metal fabrication, but also a key to determining the quality of the finished product. Bending sheet metal is one of the most common processes in sheet metal forming. It applies force to a specific area of the part using jigs or molds, fixing the parts in the right position. The force applied must exceed the material's yield strength to cause plastic deformation of the part. The process generated V-shaped, U-shaped, and other profiles on axes, creating new part geometries. Bending changes the shape but keeps the part volume constant. To ensure trouble-free bending and avoid deformation in sheet metal fabrication, we recommend following certain design tips for each type of sheet metal parts. Material selection is crucial for the bending sheet metal. Common sheet metal materials include aluminum, copper, and stainless, etc. Aluminum has good plasticity and is suitable for large angle bending. Copper's ductility allows it to be easily bent without breaking. Stainless, due to its hardness, requires a smaller bending radius and higher pressure during bending. Understanding the characteristics of different materials can help us better adjust process parameters to ensure bending effects. Sheet metal parts is usually made from a single metal sheet, so they should have uniform wall thickness. Thickness is also closely related to factors like bending radius. Inconstant thickness may lead to part deformation or fracture. We generally recommend a minimal bending radius greater than or equal to the sheet thickness. Keeping a constant bending direction can reduce repositioning, saving time and money, especially for sheet metal parts with complex bends. For our angle bending, we suggest a small, multiple bend approach rather than one-time bending to reduce material stress concentration and the risk of deformation and cracks. For bending operations other than R-angle bending, avoid multiple bends unless absolutely necessary. Holes and slots may deform if they are too close to the bending area. We recommend a minimum distance of 2.5 times the thickness for holes from the bending edge. Slots require a large clearance, with a minimum distance of 4 times the thickness from bending edge. Let's also introduce common sheet metal bending methods. V-bending. This is the most common bending method, resulting in a V-shaped profile after bending. Different V-shape, punch, and die angles can achieve acute, obtuse, or 90-degree bending angles. U-bending. The profile after bending is U-shaped, suitable for producing architecture and structure components, automotive parts, household appliance shelves, and designs that require internal space, such as piping systems and electric cabinet. R-angle bending. R-angle usually refers to the standard of bending the metal sheet into the desired shape along the bending die with an R-angle. The R-angle is the angle of the bending die, usually represented by angle volumes, such as 19 degree, 45 degree, etc. Stretch bending. During the bending process, a stretching force is applied to the sheet to reduce the spring back caused by bending. Stretch bending is widely used in industry like automotive, aerospace, home appliance, electronics, etc. for manufacturing various structural parts and casings. You are now learned several tips to pay attention to during the bending process. Let's outline the complete bending workflow. Before bending, properly cut and pre-treat the material. Ensuring smooth edges and uniform thickness can prevent cracks during bending. It's best to maintain constant bending direction to help casts. Avoid multiple bends except for angle bending. Make sure to conduct a detailed final inspection includes bending angles, dimension accuracy, etc. after bending, to ensure all products strictly conform to the design drawings. A high-quality inspection process is key to product quality. There is a professional sheet metal manufacturing team and a range of equipment for sheet metal process at Zintilon. For any sheet metal fabrication needs, please feel free to contact us. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.